Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to give presentation on SAP Leonardo. Before going into the presentation, first I would like to tell you what is SAP Leonardo. SAP Leonardo is a digital innovation system that offers emerging technologies integrated into the existing application to leverage the power out of it, automate processes and create solutions by working as a platform as a services. So in today's agenda we have included those emerging technologies which are embedded in SAP Leonardo along with the existing applications, and then introduction to SAP Leonardo and SAP Leonardo as a solution. Now these are the emerging technologies which are embedded in SAP Leonardo, and they make it a very powerful application. So the first one is IoT, Internet of Things, and the second one is IoT Strategy, Internet of Things Strategy. To judicially use the IoT, like managing sensor data, automation, encryption of data handling, interpretations, remote device management, real-time business, etc., IoT strategy has been introduced. The third one is machine learning, fourth is analytics, fifth is big data, then design thinking, blockchain, and the last one is data intelligence. The first emerging technology is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. In today's world, almost everything is connected with internet, like smartphones and tablets, and almost anything with a sensor on it, like cars, machines in production plants, jet engines, oil drills, wearable devices, and more. Depending upon the nature uh, of use, uh, this has been categorized into two: IIoT, Industrial Internet of Things, and IoE, Internet of Everythings. These things collect and exchange data through these two mediums. SAP in his portal announces that it has earmarked pound 2 billion, that is dollar 2.2 billion, for investment in products that help companies to connect everything from washing machines to car to the internet. Now what is this industrial internet of things? In factories, machine learning, even M2M communication, machine to machine communication, sensor data, and automation technologies work together to create autonomous smart machines and connected factories. A smart machine with connected factories constitutes IIoT, since it has been used in factories and industrial area itself. Apart from this, Internet of Everything adds intelligent connections between things and devices, people, processes, and data. Internets of Everything system makes sensor data more meaningful and have a secure, usable infrastructure that lets actionable information be shared across the business ecosystem. IoT strategy. IoT security ensures secure and monitor devices, encrypt sensitive data, build risk mitigation into system. Streaming data allows reliable feeding real-time business processes, extracting timely insights. IoT platforms helps to develop, deploy and manage IoT and M2M applications, automate processes and network connections, store and manage sensor data, connect and control your device, and analyze your data. IoT applications ensures detecting connectivity gaps, handling interruptions, and meeting specific business and industry requirements. IoT cloud helps in data storage, processing analysis, and remote device management. IoT data can collect the right data at the right time even when connectivity is interrupted, rely on in-memory system to process massive data volumes generated by thousands of devices. The next emerging technology is machine learning. Machine learning in simple, we can say that to make the machines to make decisions independently. So rather than programming software to accomplish a specific task, the machine uses big data and sophisticated algorithms to learn how to perform the task itself. Machine learning allows the application to think and independently make a determination or prediction, going beyond what predictive analytics and big data analytics can do, and often beyond what humans can do. Algorithm driven business that lets you automate highly repetitive tasks, support strategic decision making, and turn data into smart actions. Now, why machine learning is advancing? It's making it easier for machine to train and learn. Even Google says machine learning is the future. A senior research scientist at Google, Greg Carrado, has said that it's not magic, it's just a tool, but it's really important tool. Now, what are the benefits of machine learning? Since it promotes to make the machines to make decision independent, so decision making is faster, and even you can prioritize those decisions based on some routines, and those uh, and also it adapts itself on the changes which has been coming up because of change in data. It Since it uses an algorithmic business, so innovation and growth is always there. It provides a unique insight, understand the patterns in big data, and then trigger concrete actions. Since it runs on algorithmic business, so there is no back office cost, and so it increases business acceleration. As there is an involvement of AI and machine learning help to eliminate human error, improve the quality of output, so we can expect a better outcomes by the use of machine learning. The next emerging technology is business analytics. Business analytics, the core purpose of analytics has always been to support executive decision making. According to Gartner, analytics remains the most important technology priority of companies around the world, as it has been for most of the last decades, but decisions are more important than ever. Business analytics accelerate digital transformation with business analytics solutions and embedded machine learning that can help you gain fast and accurate insight across your business and implement new processes and application based on those insights. The benefits of analytics has been categorized into three categories: business intelligence, predictive analytics, and enterprise performance management. Business intelligence or business analytics software is used to explore and analyze historical and current data. It utilizes statistical analysis, data mining, and quantitative analytics to identify past business trends. Once data has been collected and analyzed, business intelligence analytics system then use the data for predictive modeling. So in small, we can say that business analytics or business intelligence provides data visualization analysis, provides dashboards. It can also provide mobile analytics. It helps in reporting, and the last one, explore all business intelligence products. The next benefit is predictive analytics. Predictive analytics encompasses a variety of statistical techniques from data mining, predictive modeling, and machine learning that analyze current and historical facts to make predictive model future or otherwise unknown events. So it basically compares the data from future with the historic data, and it gives a predictive data modeling, predictive data management. It helps in model management, and it also helps in scoring the modeling. It also helps in predictive network and link analysis and explore all predictive analytics products. The last one is the enterprise performance management, which is also known as business performance management or corporate performance management, which involves consolidation of data from various sources, querying and analysis of the data, and putting the result into practice. So it helps in strategy management, planning, budgeting and forecasting, profitability and cost management, financial consolidation, enterprise reporting and disclosure. The next emerging technology is big data. Big data represents the information and asset categorized by such a volume, high volume, velocity and variety to require specific technology and analytical methods for its transformation. Structured, semi-structured and structured into a value. Why the name big data? With the examples I have tried to bring out this fact. So there is a data analysis by FB which generates 10 TB data daily. Twitter generates 7 TB data daily, and Walmart handles more than 1 million customer transactions every year. This all trends states that data has been handled, but now this volume, this that the different types has been increased so much that this data has been named as big data. The big data has the three characteristics: volume, velocity and variety. And these have three types of big data which are called structured, semi-structured and unstructured. Now the next emerging technology is design thinking. At its core, design thinking is a human-centered approach to innovation. It helps identifying the optimal customer experience and highlights the problem worth solving. SAP design thinking journey started 12 years ago when Hasso Plattner founded the Hasso Plattner Institute of Design at Stanford University, the D School, and then brought 35 design thinkers into SAP to help make decision thinking a strategic priority, driving innovation across the entire organization. The design process often involves a number of different groups of people in different departments. For this reason, developing, categorizing, and organizing idea and problem solutions can be difficult. Now, what are the characteristics of design thinking? It's a human-centered approach to better understand the needs and innovation opportunities of customers. It allows collaborative across functionalities to bring diverse perspectives to create more coherent customer experience, and highly iterative to more quickly understand market feedback and success. The next emerging technology is blockchain. The simple definition of blockchain is a reliable record of who owes what and who transacts what. Why name blockchain is given? Now blockchain is based on distributed ledger technology, which records data, transaction files and information in forms of blocks across a peer-to-peer network. Every participant can see the data and verify or reject it using conscious algorithms. So it's nothing but it stores data in a chronological order. Therefore, approved data is entered into the ledger as a collection of blocks stored in a chronological chain and secured through cryptography. That is why the name blockchain is given. Now, why this has been considered as an emerging technology and why blockchain? Now, blockchain technology has the potential to reduce the role of middleman like bank, like broker, like third-party intermediaries, dramatically speeding up multi-participant transaction and lowering cost while ensuring all parties are protected. People, businesses, machines, and algorithms would be free to transact and communicate with one another in a frictionless way. This is the promise of blockchain, and it also provides a transparency. There are barriers to adaptation because of governance rule and organization issues, and the technology is still being explored and validated. Before going into the further, we also must know what are smart contracts to understand the power of blockchain. Blockchains are inherently digital and therefore programmable. So participants can set up rules to automatically trigger actions, events and payments once conditions are met. This will pave the way for smart contracts, which is nothing but a self-executing agreements made by multiple parties. There are four main ways to establish blockchain system. The first one is public, then consortium, semi-private and private. Now let's go one by one. What is this public blockchain? There are numerous public blockchains, and the one is Bitcoin. Ethereum, which allows anyone to build smart contracts and decentralized apps on it. Ethereum is another example of public blockchain. Some other examples are Dash and Lisk. Then consortium is another type of blockchain system which allows which enables us within a group of companies collaborating together to leverage blockchain technology for improved business processes. And examples would be Corium, Hyperledger and Corda. Then we have the semi-private blockchain system, which are run by single company who grant access to any user who qualifies, and they typically target business to business users. And the examples of semi-private blockchain could include ones for government entities for record keeping, land titles, public records, etc. Then we have a private blockchain system which include Ripple and Hyperledger. You might now say, okay, we need a private blockchain because we do not want everybody to read data. So in that case we are using private blockchain. Now what are the benefits of blockchain? Since there are fewer intermediaries involved, no broker, no bank and no third-party intermediaries, so blockchain is a true peer-to-peer platform that will reduce the need for some types of third-party intermediaries like bank, lawyers and brokers. It also ensures faster processes. Blockchain can speed up process execution in multi-party scenarios and allow for faster transaction, and there are not limited by office hours. As this has transparency features, so information blockchain is viewable by all participants and cannot be altered. This will reduce the risk and fraud and create trust. Return on investment. Distributed ledger will provide quick return on investment by helping business create leaner, more efficient and more profitable processes. The distributed and encrypted nature of blockchain mean it will be difficult to hack, so there is always a security. This shows promise for business and IoT security. And since it is based on algorithmic, so automation, it's programmable, so automation is possible, which will make it possible to automatically trigger action, events and payments when conditions are met because of its smart contracts features. As per Harvard Business Review, have stated that blockchain is the first native digital medium for value, just as the internet was the first native digital medium for information. And that's true. Even it has been tried that 10% of global GDP will be stored in blockchain by 2027. And if it has been implemented with all government regulations and business organization issues, then it will only take 0.20 seconds for blockchain assisted international money transfer. The next emerging technology is data intelligence. Data intelligence extracts insight from a large network of anonymized data, find ways to solve your business problem, monetize data, and more. It basically involves two tools. One is data mining, and the second is artificial intelligence and machine learning tools. Data intelligence experts focus on five major concepts, components, sorry, descriptive, prescriptive, diagnostic, deceive, and predictive data. Let's go in short with all these terms used. The first one is descriptive data intelligence. Descriptive data intelligence are the analytics which use data aggregation and data mining to provide insight into the past and answer what has happened. Prescriptive data intelligence are the analytics which use optimization and simulation algorithms to advise on possible outcome and answer what should we do. Diagnostic data intelligence are the analytics, and at this stage historical data can be measured against other data to answer the question of why something happened. Thanks to diagnostic analytics, there is a possibility to drill down, find out dependency, and identify patterns. Companies go for diagnostic analytics as it gives in-depth insights into a particular problem. At the same time, a company should have detailed information at their disposal, otherwise data connection may turn out to be individual for every issue and time consuming. Then deceive data intelligence or the data helps people use data to realize better outcomes. We work with the global and local organizations to realize the vision of every decision informed by data. Deceive data engages with clients to integrate, organize, and visualize their data. Each engagement empowers clients to achieve their desired outcome, efficiency, growth, and profitability. Predictive data intelligence are the analytics which use statistical models and forecast techniques to understand the future and answer what could happen. So this is all about all the emerging technologies, and now we go back to our SAP Leonardo. Now, introduction to SAP Leonardo. SAP Leonardo is a combination of intelligent technologies which we have learned in our previous slides, that is emerging technologies, services, and industry experts that can help you optimize your processes and resources and ignite innovation in any area of your businesses. So it's use a mix of intelligent technologies like machine learning, the Internet of Things, IoT and blockchain, and on an open cloud platform. Transform processes and business models to deliver the outcomes you need. Now, why the name SAP Leonardo comes? As we know, there is a great historian, Leonardo da Vinci, who was an architect, inventor, engineer, philosopher, scientist, anatomist, sculptor, painter, and music composer. He is considered to be the prime example of the universal genius. So, an individual who tries to develop all of his skills and potential. That is why SAP also introduced SAP Leonardo, which enables its customer to benefit from the complete potential of SAP by combining different SAP elements. Now, this is the two areas in which SAP Leonardo has been segregated. One is called System of Intelligence, another one is called System of Records. So system of intelligence is nothing but all your emerging technologies embedded into SAP Leonardo. SAP Leonardo delivers capabilities to create and scale new intelligent application. And system of records is nothing but your all SAP applications like SAP Ariba, SAP Hybris, SAP HANA, SAP Data Hub, SAP Google Cloud Platform, Azure, Microsoft Azure, and everything get integrated at this level, and this is called system of records. SAP Leonardo makes SAP application more intelligent and capable. So SAP Leonardo is the new brand name for the Internet of Things innovation portfolio, a collection of operation and information technologies that relate to IoT. These joint technologies help to connect products, assets, fleet, infrastructure, market, and people. This allows you for the complete chain of your company to be integrated and connected from supplies to customer. So if I go in this slide, then it has a different uh, in different way the architecture can be explained. So the first one is guided outcomes, which is nothing but your cost of optimization, revenue growth, customer experience, total workforce management, product and service excellence. And then in open innovation, you have all the emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, advanced analytics, blockchain. Embedded intelligence come into two versions. One is silver and other is gold. Silver includes robotic process automation, conversational AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Gold includes everything in silver plus SAP Analytics Cloud for BI. Now, the first SAP Leonardo component is SAP Leonardo Bridge. So SAP Leonardo Bridge in whole it can be said as SAP Live Business. So SAP Leonardo Bridge helps in connecting the world. In summary, we can say SAP Leonardo Bridge enables organization to combine business processes and IoT data to provide the required context for making decisions. The gap between real-time information from connected things on the one hand and the business process on the other is filled with the SAP Leonardo Bridge. Without this bridge, the information has no real context and thus no real value for your organization. With the use of different application, dashboards and notification, you can create this context and make it possible to implement intelligent end-to-end process to your organizations. So it helps in connecting everything with every areas of business, like connected market, connected fleet, connected environment, connected partner, connected things, and connected people. The next is SAP Leonardo, which comprises of SAP Leonardo views. So the first one is industrial view, the second is line of business view, third is technology view, and all three are integrated with IOE view, Internet of Everything view. So first we go with the industrial digital process industrial view, which comprises of the process like digital utilities, digital services, digital data services, digital led ideathon and innovation, and it's still in progress and going on develop, but still it's not published fully. The next is line of business digital supply chain, which is also called line of business view, and it comprises the functionality of digital business planning, digital response and supply, digital logistics, digital product innovation, digital manufacturing, digital operations. And then the technological view, which is also called SAP Leonardo Foundation and Edge, which resides at the gateway services, and it provides SAP Leonardo for IoT business services, SAP Leonardo for IoT technical services, SAP Leonardo for IoT edge and connectivity. All three get connected with the IOE view, that is Internet of Everything view, and which is also called SAP Leonardo portfolio. where every area of business is connected, like connected products, connected assets, connected fleet, connected infrastructure, connected market, and connected people. Now this is the architecture of SAP Leonardo portfolio. So we have SAP Leonardo bridge at the top with everything connected using the leveraging the power of IoT. The IoT and all the algorithm resides in SAP Leonardo foundations and protocols, machine learning and predictive analytics. Everything resides in SAP Leonardo foundation. SAP HANA Cloud Platform and SAP HANA Platform works a database or applications which integrate with IoT services and provides data to the SAP Leonardo bridge. And we have a connectivity at SAP Leonardo Edge with IoT at gateway services. Now SAP Leonardo as a solution. So if you see to this slide, this is very important slide, and if you have a look on that, on the top of this architecture we have SAP Leonardo bridge, and within that we have SAP Leonardo IoT foundations, we have an SAP Leonardo Edge, and then we have SAP HANA Cloud Platform and SAP HANA Platform. Now let's go one by one. What is this SAP Leonardo for edge computing? Now I'm going with an example. Um, Soft sensors often do not have the communicative capacity to transfer sensor data in a quick, safe and cost efficient way to a central storage. Also the sensor generate an enormous amount of data that can be very difficult and expensive to move around because of energy, time and bandwidth. That is, data gets accumulated at the edge faster than the network can push it into the core. So SAP Dynamic Edge Processing enables company to process much of their IoT data locally. So this is the SAP Edge, and it provides a different ways of communication, which is always connected, occasionally connected, dynamic edge application, distributed edge connect, partner edge solutions. Next is SAP Leonardo Foundation. SAP Leonardo Foundation enables you to connect, integrate and manage a large diversity of sensor data. This foundation can be divided into two categories: IoT business services, IoT technical services. The technical services facilitates the connection to process the large amount of data and process analytics and run predictive scenarios. The business service facilitates the integration of the data by creating digital twins, reusable application services and applying predictive algorithm. Together they form the basis for analyzing the large amount of raw sensor data. Below that we have SAP Cloud Platform. SAP HANA Platform is an in-memory platform as a service that enables real-time analysis and real-time application development and insight. User can access the data, application and users and services via internet. So the information can always be accessed from any place. Additionally, microservices for machine learning, analytics, big data, security, user experience, user management and backend integration application program interfaces are provided. SAP HANA Cloud Platform enables company to perform real-time analysis, use IoT data in custom apps and take advantage of innovative microservices like machine learning and then process the data. The whole together constitutes the SAP Leonardo application. Existing SAP applications can be used as a building block for customer specific IoT solutions. In other words, one or more application can be integrated depending on the requirements of the organization. SAP Leonardo applications are standard application to use in customer specific IoT scenarios. So in this way, these IoT business services, IoT technical services, use the use and process the data and integrate it with the different systems like public apps and information, non-SAP legacy system, business suite system, S4H, ERP, uh, warehouse management, transport management, customer relationship management, etc. This is all about SAP Leonardo, and it is a complete solution which using an Internet of Things to connect with everything, with the application, with the SAP HANA cloud platform, and provides a greater business insight, in-depth analysis of the business processes. If you have any question, you can write me in my comment section in my YouTube channel. I will definitely try to reply it back. And thank you.